April 6, 2020, I'm not buying what you're making. Out here living in a world that's crumbling, where everybody's faking. But when you hit the right age of 25 and your heart's stuck inside some dead end life, you can start to get antsy when you feel you're not living the dream. But that's okay.
Air cooler is a heat exchanger which uses fin tubes and fans to cool the hot process fluids. We use L fins, embedded fins, and extruded fins depending on the process needs.
As with all jobs at Altex, air-cooled heat exchangers start with the hard work of the sales and estimating team, who works with the client to establish what designs and what options work best for them. Performance for various operating scenarios are checked for heat transfer, process fluid pressure drop, motor power draw, and noise levels. Air-cooled heat exchangers can be fairly large, so footprint and shipping heights and widths for the different options are considered. With such details well defined, the project is handed over to Altex's PMO group, who brings the engineering, purchasing, manufacturing, and QC teams together to produce the drawings and other documents needed for the work the shop will perform and the outside vendors will supply.
With the various stages during the assembly and the coming together of air cooler heat exchangers, there's a lot that needs to be considered when it comes to quality. Air coolers fabricated by Altex are custom, and many client specific specifications need to be considered, which include completing a mock-up of tube end welds to meet required hardnesses, in addition to code requirements of QW193, which include VT, PT, and macro examination.
We custom design each cooler per customer's process needs and specifications. We are specialized in winterized air recirculation units. We offer several types of winterizations based on customer process requirements and budget available.
While the process fluid for some air-cooled heat exchangers are not at risk of freezing during operation or shutdown, example those fluids which are dry or those destined for tropical climes, there are some which need a bit of help during cold weather operation. For those air-cooled heat exchangers in colder climes, a supplementary airflow plenum is often included in the design to help redirect some of the hot air exiting the bundle back to mix with the ambient air entering the structure, so that the coldest air temperature the process bundle will see would be greater than the temperature which would other cause grief. Air-cooled heat exchanger pressure parts, example the bundle or bundles, are generally fabricated separately from the main structure, with the bundles going through the same rigor shell and tube heat exchangers go through as the ASME 8 Division 1 requirements, plus the additional requirements the client may have. Structures are built by CWB welders with similar rigor. Near the end of the project, the bundle, structure, and mechanical are brought together for the final run test to confirm the design and fabrication meet the client's requirements as to noise and vibration limits. After such, the air-cooled heat exchanger is prepared for shipping.
Performance run test of each cooler is completed by Altex and is witnessed by an Altex quality control representative and client third-party inspector. This is all done prior to the final inspection and shipping to client sites. During the run test, noise and vibration measurements are taken and recorded to ensure that they are within client requirements. This report is included in the final MRB.
The decades of experience for air-cooled heat exchangers within the engineering team provides our clients with the expertise necessary to ask the right questions and design the right equipment. After that, the expertise within the rest of Altex allows the right materials and accessories to be sourced and the suitable products manufactured. It is not just the pressure boundary, it is not just the structure, it is not just the accessories which makes a successful air-cooled heat exchanger design. It is the consolidation of each of these facets into a system which will provide the reliability and performance which each end user needs.